The new Aprilia RS Factory 2025 represents the pinnacle of engineering and design in the supersport motorcycle category. Every detail of this bike has been meticulously crafted to deliver an unparalleled riding experience, combining advanced technology, aerodynamic efficiency, and raw performance. The 2025 iteration builds on Aprilia's rich heritage while incorporating groundbreaking innovations that set new benchmarks in the industry. At the heart of the RS Factory 2025 lies a high-performance engine that delivers blistering speed and exceptional power delivery. The latest generation 1100cc V4 engine has been fine-tuned for increased horsepower and torque, ensuring optimal performance both on the track and on the road. This is paired with a state-of-the-art electronic management system that includes multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, and advanced ABS for maximum safety and control in all conditions. The chassis and suspension system have been designed with precision to provide unmatched agility and stability. The lightweight aluminum frame, coupled with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, allows for sharp cornering and a smooth ride over any terrain. The bike's aerodynamics have been further enhanced with integrated winglets, reducing drag and increasing downforce at high speeds, providing riders with greater confidence and control during aggressive riding. The RS Factory 2025 also stands out with its cutting-edge technology. A high-definition TFT dashboard offers a customizable interface, providing essential data at a glance. The new connectivity suite enables smartphone integration, giving riders access to navigation, call management, and music control seamlessly. Additionally, the Aprilia Mia app provides detailed telemetry data, allowing riders to analyze their performance and improve their skills. The design of the RS Factory 2025 is a perfect blend of form and function. Its aggressive styling, complemented by striking graphics and premium finishes, reflects the bike's racing DNA. LED lighting, including adaptive cornering lights, not only enhances visibility but also adds to the motorcycle's futuristic appeal. Ergonomically, the bike has been tailored for comfort during both spirited rides and long-distance journeys, with a revised seat design and optimized riding position. Safety and reliability remain at the forefront of the RS Factory 2025. Advanced braking systems, featuring Brembo-style calipers, ensure precise stopping power. The use of premium materials and rigorous quality control measures guarantees durability and performance under all conditions, making it a reliable companion for riders who demand the best. In summary, the new Aprilia RS Factory 2025 redefines what a supersport motorcycle can achieve. With its unparalleled performance, innovative technology, and striking design, it caters to enthusiasts who seek the ultimate riding experience. Whether on the track or the open road, this bike is a testament to Aprilia's commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering excellence.